Although ice cream far predates the United States, the first written record of ice cream in the US is in May of 1777, where an ad in the New York Gazette advertised ice cream at a confectioner's shop. Presidents Washington, Jefferson, and Madison were all huge fans of ice cream. Madison even had strawberry ice cream as the dessert at his second inaugural ball. Ice cream up until 1800 was considered an exotic treat only for the elite. But in 1800, insulated ice houses were invented, which made ice cream much more widely available. In 1851, the manufacturing of ice cream began in Baltimore. Once technology allowed for ice cream to be manufactured and distributed quickly, it became much more widely available to people across the United States. Now, each year, 6.4 billion pounds of ice cream is produced in the United States.